Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce nursemaid's elbow. This common injury, also known as radial head subluxation, frequently affects children under the age of 5. It typically occurs when a child's arm is pulled suddenly, causing the radius bone to slip out of its ligament. Understanding the correct reduction technique is crucial for quickly alleviating your child's discomfort and restoring normal arm movement. Nursemaid's elbow involves the radial head, which is the top part of the radius bone, slipping partially out of the annular ligament that holds it in place. This often happens with a sharp tug on the arm, like when lifting a child by one hand. The child will usually present with their arm held still, often slightly bent, and will avoid using it because of the pain. Recognizing these signs is the first step. One effective method is the supination flexion technique. First, gently hold the child's elbow with one hand, placing your thumb over the radial head. Next, fully supinate the forearm, which means turning the palm upwards. While maintaining this supination, slowly flex the elbow to a 90-degree angle. You might feel a subtle click as the radial head slips back into place, indicating a successful reduction. This often brings immediate relief. Another highly effective approach is the pronation method. Begin by supporting the child's elbow with one hand, again placing your thumb over the radial head. Then, fully pronate the forearm, turning the palm downwards. While keeping the forearm pronated, gently flex the elbow. Many practitioners find this technique to be equally, if not more, successful and potentially less uncomfortable for the child. Both methods aim to restore the joint's proper alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.